Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing how to make basic frames for different types of devices in Figma, which is a UI designing tool. You can also see our previous video where we have shown how to make basic shapes in Figma. So let's start. To make a frame, you'll have to go to this icon, press the drop down and select the frame, or press F on your keyboard. So you'll get the frame which are available. So if you see the design tab here, you can see various options for devices which you can make. So first you have the phone or the tablet or a desktop, watch, paper, social media. So phone means you can design your phone screens. So there are different options in phone: iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro. So according to the height and width, the dimensions, you can just easily just select the name of your phone or the phone which you are designing. Just click on it and the frame will be available. So if I click on Google Pixel 2, you will be able to see the frame. So here we have the frame with the required dimensions: 411 width and 731 height. Now let's see the other options that we have. Let's again click the frame icon. So we have Android phone as well, which is 360 by 640. Also, if you want to design for tablet like iPad mini, iPad Pro 11, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, Surface Pro 3, Surface Pro 4, you can just click on one of them. For example, if I click on iPad mini, you get the screen immediately. So you can start designing on this. Now let's try the others from the different devices which are available. Again click the frame icon. Now let's see the desktop version. So we have different kinds of desktops. This is the usual Windows desktop. These are for the Apple desktops. So MacBook and MacBook Pro also, and iMac. So let's take iMac. So here we have the iMac screen. Now let's see the next device, which is the watch. So we have the wearable watches, the watches which are the digital ones or the smart watches. Here we have four options: Apple Watch 44mm, Apple Watch 42mm, 40mm and 38mm. Let's select one of these. So you got this small size screen where you can design for your watch. The next device which we'll see is for paper. So this is for if you are designing some advertisement, you can take this, or if you're designing for your resume or some other kind of paper related things, you can use these. So let's take the A4 size. So you have the A4 size sheet here where you can design with text or images, whatever you require. Now the last one is social media. So if you want to make a Twitter post, a Twitter header, Facebook post or Instagram, Dribbble is a designer's platform where you can showcase your designs, and LinkedIn also. So you can even design your LinkedIn cover here to make it customized the way you want it. So let's try to open the Facebook cover. So here we have this longer in the horizontal direction kind of rectangle where you can easily fit what kind of images or font or text which you want. You can easily set it here and upload it on your Facebook page according to your liking. So here in this video we saw different kinds of screens which you can make for different devices, and also there is one option. If you select, suppose, this Google Pixel screen and you want to change the dimensions, you want to change the device for which you are designing and you want to make it for desktop, so directly you can just click desktop, which will make the screen height and width measures into a desktop kind. Also you can customize it. If you do not want the exact measurements as which is given here, you can customize it using this design window. So you can even give maybe 1000 width. So if your device is not available here, you can just change the height and width according to your device's measurements. In the upcoming videos, we'll see different kinds of things which we can do with Figma. If you like the video, please like and share and comment below the video. Please subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please mention it. Thank you.